We're on.
Right, we're back to MMA now. All the last 3 fights for all MMA. This is flyweight MMA. Long-awaited rematch. First corner, please welcome Jay the Fridge Nutty. 56 for Jay. You'll be there in the quick rounds.
Did you see the one, these two last time?
Yes, oh, that was brilliant.
Was it a draw? I couldn't remember.
I believe it was a draw, yes.
Okay.
In the other corner, please welcome gorgeous Bill Corringham. 54 for Bill.
Weight class is 54 kilos.
Flyweight.
Flyweight, yeah.
You know the deal then, boys. 10-minute count.
You guys only do like flyweight together. I've never seen them training once a week. They were really good.
I'm expecting, I think for like maybe a year tomorrow.
Let's go, boys.
Based on what we saw last time, I expect some really nice combination work. The one thing I will, and this is a minor criticism too, but the one thing I would say is I would like to see more counters off the back.
Yeah, I remember that last time one would throw a volley, and the other one would throw a volley.
Exactly, they would exchange. So.
There's techniques of sparring like that. Good. Good pull guard. You got a good foot sweep there. Ooh.
Fight the legs, Jay. Fight the legs.
He's got a gilly. He had a normal gilly and he's changed to arm in, which I wouldn't recommend because the arm in gilly's harder to finish.
Oh, nice. Picked him up, wow.
He just standing up there and get slapped.
Yeah, jeez.
Good defense.
Back with those kicks then.
Immediately like this. Oh, see, nice combination from the head there.
I mean, there was a headlock throw there.
Oh, look right. It looked like he was,
I don't know if he knows headlock.
He almost looked like he was going to go for a guillotine there, actually.
Yeah, he transitioned that.
For a minute in, 2 left.
Taller man. Or Navy and like.
That was what they say, yeah. Oh, man.
Leave hand busy.
Just...
Is that kind of training? Really training?
Nice.
Oh, okay.
Very nice leg catch.
Halfway, minute and a half left.
They're taller man easily.
Yeah, he is. Very wise. Oh,
Nice.
He's chopping at those long legs. If you got long legs, there's more. Yeah, but there's also more real estate for their leg kicks to use.
So.
Oh, nice combination work. Oh, wow, those are some nice jabs.
Stay busy with that jump then, Jay.
Very nice jabs.
1 minute.
Yeah. Slightly from the...
Somewhere between up jab and an uppercut.
Yeah. Well, like if you fire your punches low down like that, they're a little bit harder to predict. Oh man, wow. His straights are really nice. That one in the dark blue. Oh, and then straight to the bloody there. Oh, and I like it. Oh, look at the legs. Look at their legs, it's starting to get red.
Oh yeah.
The one in the light bluish legs.
Yeah, his front is a decent number. Does
boys,
anyone
20
know
seconds.
any headlock throws? He went for a trip.
15
Oh,
seconds.
he hit him in the body too. Oh, and
There was a headlock throw.
Busy in that big busy in that big
Nice and
Oh no.
He went for a suplex and he just pulled bottom mount.
Time, boys, time. That's the tournament.
Very good effort.
I'll mention it for a second time. He finished in mount.
Is Shabby here?
And then he just started to beat. Man, a little way up from mount. Because you're going to suffer it.
I agree.
You're going to suffer man and leave me. Now, Shabby is always late. Usually.
No, someone definitely will. One of the lads was here.
Oh, no, I think you're right. That's right.
That's it. That's it. Who won last time?
Huh?
Who won last time?
Aiden. In the boxing. Oh, between these two draws.
Yeah, I thought so.
I remember because I was It was very good.
Well done, boys. Round 2. Let's go. Let's go.
See some more to show us. I'm sure they
The
have.
navy blue's finished in the first half.
Yes.
If I was him, I'd want to get back in a good position. This is
Nice kick to the inside. Almost like that.
good pacing. They don't think that's cool.
Not one in the dark blue. He's very good at his straight attacks. Yeah, very good at using his legs.
A nice leg kick.
Yeah, we want to see more leg kicks from the likable one. For sure. I mean, for when he's easing a lot of them.
We got light blue, dark blue. Dark blue, Jay, light blue, Bill.
Jay,
Okay, so
light blue. Oh, nice leg kicks.
Nice.
Exchange there.
2 minutes left, boys. You're a minute in.
I'm not looking. Very true. I'm not liking the look of that redness in Bill's legs though.
yeah, he's taking a few there.
You can even see it on the rear leg too. Oh, but that was a nice return there. Oh, look, no, actually, look. Jay's
You think
behind the knee. Oh,
Bill,
wow.
you think Bill would have the advantage in the clinches just because he's more compact at the same match?
Possibly, yes, but they've been quite
Minute
even
and a half.
with
They have.
the thing so far. Oh man, nice straights there. Nice finish there for play. Another, and another nice one. That one's definitely going there.
Yeah, he's got a full weight.
Oh, a nice inside. Yeah, those inside lifts are no joke. They're very tender parts of your
Tomorrow
leg.
morning they're both in field.
Minute left, boys. Minute left.
Need to ice
They're going to learn to check next week.
Yeah.
They're like, oh yeah, how do we do this?
Stay busy then, Jay.
Oh, that was a good advice there. Oh, man.
I want to see one of you guys sit in the band together.
No, I do too.
Just want to stand about it.
This seems perfect.
Go again with the leg.
That's true. Like they were finding a lot of success this round with the leg kicks,
That's good.
and that's what you want to do for someone taller than you. So.
Yeah, you don't want to jab them.
No, definitely not. Attack the closer target.
20
with
seconds.
your legs. Especially because Jay is being more accurate with his punches.
10 seconds.
That leg grab again.
Oh wow!
5,
Nice,
4.
nice flurry there.
Time. Back to corners, boys.
I love that Jack's putting blood on his back.
Yeah.
How does blood get there?
Just only. To be fair, I think they kind of twist that.
I can see Paulin warming up with Lawrence.
When did the two years
Good, isn't it?
I want to see these guys.
Yeah, we do 1 second of wait.
I'll tell you just from the striking.
Yeah.
They'll rack you.
I don't decide. Yeah, they are really good.
So I don't, because we've not seen as much of the ground game, I'm interested to see it too. If their ground game is as good as the striking.
Let's touch gloves. Well done, lads. Well done. Let's have a good time around. Let's get it.
They're more of a striker build at this age, so they're both in a flat.
That's true.
I don't know if you can really say.
They're quite long.
Yeah, but maybe in like 3 years they'll both start a match.
Oh wow! Imagine then. Imagine how they're gonna hit people then.
Good.
It will be, yeah. Oh, there we go. We're going for the clinch. Nice.
Got a good trick.
Inside. Oh, Bill's just got the body out there. What is he going to do with it?
Oh, okay. He's going to put Shimata. He got it. He got it.
Oh, swag.
Corners are giving good advice,
Swing
boys.
back to the front. Oh, and another nice
Got
uppercut
that
to the
body,
body.
you use it. Don't let it back and mount. Yeah, get on top. Make sure you're on top. Good.
Nice.
Oh,
well done.
Good stand
Well
up.
done, boys. Great finish.
Now Bill should pick him up.
Finish the takedown.
Pick him up.
It's been very competitive with this wrestling
Right,
so
keep going,
far.
boys.
This is what just send them on the lovely lateral drop. That's a good scramble. It's a good scramble. He's in mount.
Oh no.
So he's got that knee in.
Yeah.
He's got that knee shield. But he needs to try and get something else going. He's hugging on to try and stop hitting strikes. But he needs some strikes. But he needs to, round the bottom needs to pull. Oh, good. Oh, he's got back to guard. That's good. That's good.
Better than before, at the very least.
Minute and a half left.
If he doesn't do anything,
He's sort of stalling him down.
yeah, he
He
needs
needs
to
to do something.
do something, otherwise he's going to keep eating shots.
Yeah. Getting too many shots there.
Oh,
He could get TKO'd.
look at the foot on the hip.
Okay, he's trying to do stuff, but if he just keeps eating shot like this on the floor, he'll get TKO'd.
Oh no. He's got his
And he's
knee.
going back to half guard, and he's pinning
Get
it.
your right knee
He's
out.
really punching
Gap Bill, right knee back through.
Minute left.
Pin the arm and pin the knee, please.
Minute
There's
left.
an arm triangle right there.
Pause here. Let's stand and guard. We'll turn it around. Away from the wood. Let's go. Let's go from here. Ready?
Quite
3, 2,
good
1, let's go.
groundwork from him.
50 seconds, boys. 50 seconds.
Just pounding away. Oh yeah.
And this is just suffering, it's so hard work. You're trying not to get hit in the head, and it's confusing,
Yeah.
and you're trying to stand up.
It's not to be underestimated. It sucks to be in a position like that.
Not
Psychologically.
not ideal.
30 seconds.
It's really what he's made of. Oh, he's going for Gilly, he's going for side Gilly. Oh, lovely sweep. Lovely sweep.
25 seconds.
You need to push past in the mount. You need to push past in the mount.
Keep going,
He
boys.
needs to be throwing strikes while he's on top.
Yeah,
He
yeah.
needs to use his top time.
He needs to remember his round.
He's only got 15 seconds. Should be throwing strikes.
Oh, there you go. That's better.
Can he throw
That's
strikes?
better.
Can he throw some strikes?
5,
Oh,
4,
there we go.
3, 2,
Finish strong.
1.
Lovely.
Time.
He was really good surviving there and getting sweet.
He did, yeah. That was again. It shows the strength of the mind there, doesn't it?
That's like character not giving up when you're on bottom.
Exactly. I guess like again, being in that position, absorbing all those hits, it's not nice. You kind of want to give up then, but he did it. Brilliant. I do think that Johnny Colby had the better of the exchanges.
The jabs are longer. He had more top time.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
What's finishing on top for a ground pound? Like he's guard but he's throwing. What's that work? It's a what finish like that. If it was just continuing, maybe the other man doesn't get tweaked.
Yeah, that's true.
Need that hand, Jake.
And he did.
Another round of applause, please, for a technical fight. We have another draw.
Large number of goals. Yeah.
To be fair, they